Pariksha Pe Charcha 2023, a golden opportunity to interact with Honorable Prime Minister of India once again. Let us see how to apply for Pariksha Pe Charcha 2023 through online. It's very simple. Take your mobile phone and open your browser. Now simply type PPC 2023 and that's all. Click the first website. Now you will see Pariksha Pe Charcha 2023 page. Read all the guidelines and instructions clearly. Now you have to log in. Click the login button at the top of the page. You will be having a number of options to log in. Let us log in with the OTP option. Now enter your OTP, click the submit button and you are logged in. You can also log in with password or social medias like Facebook, Google, Twitter, LinkedIn and GitHub. Now you can see Pariksha Pe Charcha 2023 participating page. In that, select Themes option. To read the themes, click the For Parents button. The parent will have 3 different themes. Now click the Participation Now option and click the Parent Submit button. Now parents' entry form will be open. Fill up them clearly. It is very easy to fill up. Now coming to the activity details section, click the select button, choose your theme option. Describe the theme within 1500 characters. Now if you are finished, you can click submit button or you can save it also. Once you submitted successfully, you will receive a digital certificate of participation. About 2050 students, teachers and parents selected through competitions on MyGov will gifted with PPC kits by Ministry of Education. So what are you waiting for? Hurry and all the best, parent.